Hi there, welcome to another unboxing video this time around. We're still doing Belstaff boots. The first video upload I did was the Belstaff Duration. This time around is the Belstaff Endurance. For this one, they suggest you get a size up because they fit small. Let's have a look inside. All right, pamphlet. Yeah, sorry, just had to smell that. Yeah, smells good. Smells nice. Doesn't smell quite as distinct as the other pair of boots I got. The Duration ones, but still quite a nice smelling pair of boots. All right, these ones I got them in the brown. All right, first impressions, really nice thick leather, not the kind of leather that you shine up, so oiled leather, thick Vibram sole, little Velcro pad to hide the zip. Let's see, yep, got these because of the style and the protection. So there's some reinforcement at the toe and the heel, and also some ankle protection. Let's get this stuff inside. So these are, it's gusseted all the way to the top. Waterproof breathable membrane inside. Yeah, there's some reinforcement at the ankle and at the toe. You can feel some slight ankle protection. All right, can't really zip this all the way to the bottom until I remove this belt there. All right, so that's the Belstaff Endurance. I'll put these on and let you know how they fit. All right, so here are the boots on the Belstaff Endurance. So as you can see, there's some reinforcement for the shifter. The bottom belt, I had to unbuckle that to get it to zip all the way down so I can put my foot in. As you can see, the zipper is going to be protected so it won't scratch your bike. I'm glad I was able to zip this all the way up, because for some tall boots like the Icon Elsinore, I was not able to zip those all the way up because of my thick calves. So I'm glad I'm able to zip these up and avoid having to return them. Fits comfortably. Accommodates my foot goes slightly wide, so it feels quite fine. My ankle floats a little bit. Unlike the Belstaff Duration ones, my feet are really snug in those. No heel float at all. It's really comfortable boots. These ones, as you can see, right, there's a Belstaff logo at the front. There's no shin protection. Side belt. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the purchase. Can't wait to try them outside. These are, again, they have a breathable and waterproof membrane. Yep, nice and easy to walk in. I think it's a good buy. Good purchase. Can't wait to try them out on a bike and outside. Alright, thanks for watching.